Laundry.
Laundry.
It's a song. The laundry song that we sing.
Oh, am I being like a total laundry spaz?
Breaking.
Breaking.
Not even say breaking up with Janice.
Oh, right.
Break up with Tony.
Tony?
Oh, you're breaking up with Tony? Yeah.
Beyond.
Beyond.
And there they are. How you get any work done is beyond me.
Meet a guy who's smart and funny and has an emotional age beyond like 8.
You know what else?
Horrible.
Horrible.
Moved back home.
Oh.
It was horrible. He called me young lady.
What's going on?
Hi. Nothing. This horrible woman just took my machine.
Building.
Building.
I do have a laundry room in my building. There.
Don't you have a laundry room in your building?
Sophisticated.
Sophisticated.
Bob is great. He's smart, he's sophisticated, and he has a real job.
Underwear.
Underwear.
What? This is basically the first time she's going to see your underwear. Do you want it to be dirty?
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
She eats like a happy little squirrel or...
You can mix and match moose and squirrel. Whatever you want.
Stupid.
Stupid.
Can't do.
That does not sound stupid to me. No.
Okay, I know this is gonna sound really stupid, but I feel that if
Accept.
Accept.
everything's pink.
Yeah, except for the red sock, which is still red. I'm sorry.
Maneuver.
Maneuver.
It's amazing, okay? You just reach in there's one little maneuver, and bam, a bra.
Concerned.
Concerned.
Right out the sleeve. All right, as far as I'm concerned, there is nothing.
Courage.
Courage.
No idea what's happening, and then you finally get up the courage to do it, and there's that horrible...
Building. Underwear. Sleeve.